Hello everyone, welcome to Body Make and Health Management channel. Today we're talking about something we all need. Something precious, something that fuels our engine. A good night's sleep. Now you might be thinking, sleep? That's easy. But let me tell you, a lot of folks are running on fumes and they don't even know it. We're gonna dive deep into the why, the how, and the what of building a night routine that'll have you feeling like you can take on the world. Buckle up, let's get you sleeping like a champ. Chapter 1. The Power of the Night Routine. Now before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why a night routine is more valuable than a winning lottery ticket. It ain't just about getting your 8 hours, no sir. It's about sending a signal to your body, mind and soul, letting them know it's time to ease off the gas, to unwind, to relax into the night. Think about it like this. You wouldn't run a marathon without stretching first, would you? Same goes for sleep. A good night routine is like a warm-up for your brain, a slow dance with relaxation that gets you ready for the main event. Deep, restful sleep. When you give your body that consistency, that rhythm, it's like music to its ears. Your circadian rhythm, that internal clock that tells you when to sleep and wake, starts humming a sweet tune, and suddenly, you're falling asleep faster, sleeping deeper, and waking up feeling like a brand new day has dawned. And the benefits? They're more plentiful than stars in a Texas sky. You're talking sharper focus, a stronger immune system, muscles that recover faster, and a mood that's brighter than a sunny day. Think about those athletes, the ones at the top of their game. They don't just show up and wing it. They have routines, rituals, habits that set them up for success. Your night routine, that's your secret weapon, your playbook for a good night's sleep. So let's build you one, all right? Chapter 2. Set your sleep compass. Alright, the first order of business in building your sleep sanctuary is setting a sleep schedule. Think of it as your sleep compass, always pointing you towards the land of Nod at the same time, night after night. Now I ain't talking about becoming a robot living by the clock. It's about finding what works for you, your own personal sleep sweet spot. Most of us grown folks need around 7 to 9 hours a night. Figure out what time you need to greet the day, and count back from there. Consistency is key here, folks. Just like a river carves its path over time, sticking to a regular sleep schedule helps your body fall into a natural rhythm. It's like telling your brain, all right, partner, it's showtime, and your body knows exactly what to do. Now I know life throws curveballs. Late nights, early flights. Sometimes you just gotta roll with the punches. But even on those days, try to keep your wake-up time consistent. It might mean a little less shut-eye, but trust me, your body will thank you in the long run. Remember those athletes again? They don't just train whenever they feel like it. They have a schedule, a plan, and they stick to it. Same goes for sleep. Make it a non-negotiable, a sacred time for your body to rest and recharge. Think about it like this. Your sleep schedule is the foundation of your sleep sanctuary. It's the solid ground you build everything else on. So let's get you grounded, all right? Chapter 3. Wind down rituals. All right, now that we've got your sleep compass pointing in the right direction, let's talk about winding down. This is where the magic really starts happening. It's all about creating a pre-sleep routine that signals your body and mind. All right, fellas, it's almost showtime. Think about it like this. You wouldn't go from 100 miles an hour to a dead stop, would you? You gotta ease off the gas, pump the brakes, let the engine cool down. Same goes for your mind and body. About an hour or so before your head hits the pillow, it's time to shift gears. Start by dimming those lights. We're talking soft, warm light, like the glow of a sunset. This tells your brain to start producing melatonin, that sleepy hormone that helps you drift off. And put those screens to bed too. Those phones, tablets, TVs, they're like little energy drinks for your brain. The blue light they emit messes with your melatonin production, making it harder to fall asleep. So, unplug, disconnect, and let your mind unwind. Now's the time for some soul-soothing activities. Read a book, listen to some calming music, take a warm bath, write in a journal. Whatever helps you relax, whatever helps you quiet the noise of the day and ease into the stillness of the night. Remember, this is your time to unwind, to de-stress, to let go of the day's worries, and embrace the peace of the night. Make it a ritual, something you look forward to, something that tells your body, all right, it's time to rest. Chapter 4. Your Sleep Sanctuary. All right, we're talking sleep sanctuary now. Your bedroom, that's your haven, your retreat, your escape from the world. It's gotta be a place that invites rest, a place that whispers, come on in, kick off your boots, and stay a while. First things first, let's talk temperature. You want it cool, not cold, like a gentle breeze on a summer night. Around 65 degrees is ideal. It helps your body lower its core temperature, which is crucial for falling asleep and staying asleep. Now, let's talk about light. Remember that melatonin we talked about earlier? Well, light is its kryptonite, so make your room as dark as possible. Blackout curtains are your best friend here. They block out all those pesky street lights and car headlights, creating a sleep haven that's darker than a moonless night. And don't forget about noise. Whether it's traffic outside or a snoring partner, noise can be a real sleep saboteur. If you live in a noisy environment, consider investing in a white noise machine or earplugs. They can work wonders in drowning out those distractions and lulling you into a peaceful slumber. Now let's talk about comfort. Your bed, that's your sleeping chariot, and it's gotta be worthy of a king or queen. Invest in a good quality mattress and pillows that provide the right support and comfort for your body. Remember, your bedroom should be your sanctuary, a place where you can escape the hustle and bustle of life and surrender to the embrace of sleep. So make it your own, personalize it, and create a space that invites rest and rejuvenation. Chapter 5. Fueling your sleep. Alright, let's talk about what you put in your tank, or rather, what you don't put in your tank before bed. Just like you wouldn't fill your car with sugar water and expect it to run smoothly, you gotta be mindful of what you consume before hitting the hay. Caffeine, that's a big no-no. Now I love a good cup of joe as much as the next person, but not after lunchtime. Caffeine stays in your system longer than you think, and it can seriously mess with your sleep. So switch to decaf in the afternoon, or better yet, opt for a soothing herbal tea. And let's talk about those late-night snacks. Now I'm all for treating yourself, but a heavy meal right before bed is like trying to sprint after a Thanksgiving feast. Your body's working overtime to digest, making it harder to fall asleep and stay asleep. So aim to finish dinner a few hours before bedtime, and if you need a little something to tide you over, keep it light and healthy. And while we're on the subject of fueling your body, let's talk about exercise. Now, exercise is crucial for a healthy lifestyle, but timing is everything. Intense workouts too close to bedtime can rev up your system, making it harder to wind down. So aim to finish your workouts at least a few hours before bedtime. Remember, treat your body like a well-oiled machine. Give it the right fuel at the right time, and it'll reward you with a smooth ride to dreamland. Chapter 6. Fine-tuning your sleep symphony. Alright, you've built your sleep sanctuary, you've got your wind-down rituals down pat, and you're treating your body right. Now it's time to fine-tune your sleep symphony. Remember, life ain't a straight line, it's a winding road with twists and turns, and sometimes you gotta adjust your sails to catch the wind. Same goes for your sleep routine. It's not about being perfect, it's about finding what works best for you. Keep a sleep journal by your bed. Jot down when you went to bed, when you woke up, how many times you woke up during the night, and how you felt in the morning. It's like keeping a sleep diary, a chronicle of your journey to dreamland. After a couple of weeks, take a look at your sleep patterns. Are you consistently waking up tired? Are you tossing and turning in the middle of the night? These are all clues that something might need adjusting. Maybe you need to tweak your sleep schedule, or perhaps your wind-down routine needs a little something extra. Maybe it's time to invest in a new mattress or try a different relaxation technique. Remember, this is your sleep journey, and you're the captain of the ship. So listen to your body, pay attention to the signs, and don't be afraid to make adjustments along the way. The goal is to create a sleep routine that leaves you feeling refreshed, recharged, and ready to take on the world. And remember, even small changes can make a big difference. So keep experimenting, keep fine-tuning, and keep striving for that sweet spot, that perfect harmony of sleep that leaves you feeling like $1,000,000. Alright folks, there you have it. The keys to unlocking a good night's sleep and waking up feeling like a brand new day. Remember, sleep ain't a luxury, it's an investment. An investment in your health, your happiness, your overall well-being. Now go on, get yourself to bed, and drift off into a peaceful slumber. And remember, life's a lot like sleep. It's best enjoyed when you're well rested. Until next time. Sweet dreams.